Question 3.2.3, it says determine the coordinates of L. Okay, so what is given is K is the midpoint of LN. So if we can just draw this line like this, so that is to clarify what is it that we're talking about. So the midpoint is in the middle of L and N. So the coordinates of the midpoint are given. It's -1 is to -2. Okay, what is also given is the values of the point, or the coordinates of the point N is given. But this one, the values of the point L, they are not given. So this is what we are looking for. So if we are starting with Ln, so L, the coordinates of L is represented by x1 and y1. Then the coordinates of N, they are represented by x2 and y2. In fact, we can do either way. The answer at the end is going to be the same. Then this one, the midpoint, the coordinates, it's not x1 and y1, but it's only x, and then this one is y. Okay, so the formula to calculate the x value of a midpoint, it's x is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2. And then the formula to calculate the y value of a midpoint is y is equal to y1 plus y2 over 2. Now let's substitute. So it's going to be x is equal to, okay, now let's substitute first. What is the value of x? It's -1, so we've got -1 is equal to x1, we don't know, so it's x1 plus, then x2, it's given as 3 all over 2. Okay, then this is a fraction, we make this one a fraction. After that, we cross multiply. Okay, starting with this side with an x, what is 1 times x1 plus 3? The answer is going to be x1 plus 3 is equal to, what is 2 times -1 is -2. Then we solve for x, therefore x1 is equal to -2, -3, which gives us x1 is equal to -5. So we've got -5 this side, and then now let us calculate the other side of that means the other point. That means we must calculate the y. Okay, so we're going to say our y, let's look at the diagram. The value of y is -2 is equal to y1, we don't know. Here is y1, we don't know, so y1 plus y2, this is y2, +6 all over 2, make it a fraction, this one over 1. Then after that you cross multiply. What is 1 times y? 1 plus 6, it's y1 plus 6 is equal to 2 times -2, it's -2. I mean it's -4, sorry, -4. Then we solve for x, we're going to have y1 is equal to -4 minus 6, therefore y1 is equal to -10. So what does that mean? It means the coordinates of point L, x is -5 and then y is -10. These are the coordinates of this point. Okay, correct. Thank you.